Hey guys, it's Ikshay, and this is the Zonda out, which supposedly I did a review of it earlier on, and the video ratio wasn't good. It ended up being 4:3 standard definition, and needless to say, I should do the proper review this time, and I want to make a very thorough review of it so you guys can enjoy the full extent of this awesome diecast replica car. So where to begin? This Pagani started out as a factory record from Lamborghini, and he just one day rose in the town and opened his own shop called Pagani. And needless to say, he kept his egoism to the maximum and puts in all of his know-how into making this ultra high lightweight V12 midship car into a reality. And this is actually actually you could say it's the final version of Zonda series because it's succeeded by the Q-Ride, the 2011 Q-Ride, and this R version is actually a test bed for it. That's very interesting. And this car is midship with rear-wheel drive, powered by the ferocious Mercedes AMG 6-liter V12, producing over 739 horsepower, with an pretty much a Group C body layout. You have an performance of an GT1 car, but very close to one of those prototypes that you see running in the Le Mans race. But this car is in a class of its own because, well, it is equipped with carbon ceramic bricks, and they have a diameter of 38 cm or 380 mm, and the front one and the rear one has the same diameter, so it is quite outrageous in its braking capabilities. And also, let's talk about the suspension layout, because they are both push rods, and this design is straight from a Formula 1 race car, and it greatly enhances its handling abilities once again. And this model in particular has 3 parts, and the main body color is the carbon weave pattern, and in the real car is composed of some of the most exquisite materials out there, such as carbon titanium, which pretty much is a completely new composite, adding strength and lightweight to it. And I think this is one of those first cars that you could hear about using this kind of material, and they are really on the edge of automotive technology, to be honest. Very fast, almost like a Le Mans car, like once again. Yeah. Let's move on and equip all of the parts included with this car. So if you have watched my previous Zonda R video, I thought the steering didn't work, and I'm actually sadly mistaken here. First off, the rear suspension. So how do I do this? Here. Okay, so let's move to the front. see how the shocks actually move, and the steering was actually so tight. It's actually steerable. Guess just go easy on it. And actually, I think this revisiting was very worthwhile. Okay, I'll just start with this profile view because it really shows how much it extended its rear to accommodate a longer wheelbase. And just give it a turn here. On. This car actually didn't win any race on the racetrack because of what I told you. It is a class of its own. It's right between GT1 and prototype. Obviously it can't fit any of those classes because it has some of the most outrageous setups, and surprising enough, I mean, it's no surprise that it is a limited production run of 15 wheel cars. Just watch it turn. This design, majority of its purpose is really to give it air cooling to its midship engine. Well, it is running a V12. It is bound to it is bound to produce a lot of heat, and a lot of the aerodynamic parts on this car is based on that purpose, and it succeeds that purpose actually. Actually, this has been a blast to review this guy. And simply put, this is actually the priciest diecast that my brother has. And I think he'll see this video soon enough and he'll be like, what the heck? Alright, let's just end it there. See you guys.